Morning. It is day 6 and we're in Tomonoura. And this is what we're waking up to. Oh, you can't see it. There you go. Little port city. And we got a cat. We're in a Japanese style kind of like guest house. It's nice. And I'm staying next to a cat house. Orphanage. But yeah, let's go. We're gonna try catch the sunrise at Joyato lighthouse. Oh, I butchered that. But yeah, see you in a bit. Just like a couple of steps away from the guest house is Takeshi's Kichi bar, okonomiyaki, little cozy spot. Well, here we are in Tomonoura. It's another beautiful city. Keeping it low just because, you know, it's so peaceful and quiet, so we're gonna try and find our way to this lighthouse. So I'll see you in a bit. Let's go. And this is what we came for. Oh, ohayou gozaimasu. We were right over there, now we're right over here. Getting closer. And here we are. Look at that. The lighthouse. Little back entrance. We were right over here, then we went over here, and now we are here. It's a cool lighthouse. So amazing. Fort. We made it. Very quiet. Very peaceful. Baseball team. Pretty cool. The police station. Kind of moved on, but you can see the lighthouse right here. It's a different angle. A quick stop to pick up a drink from a nice little shop. See, a pretty big shop. But yeah, we're going. She said it's a big walk, so where we're going is up there. I'm pretty sure because it's going upwards. Very steep. We made it to one of the monuments. I think it's the top, but yeah, this is the Iraga Genai monument. Alright, our journey continues. There's a left path down there. Alright, see you there. I'm not too sure if this is the spot, but seems like the way to go. Alright, surely has to be it. This is the temple up here. Is this the one Takeshi was talking about? Because if it is, it's awesome. It's beautiful. The trees in this way. I wonder if I can get around it. Incredible. Behind me is a cemetery, but it's a massive bell. What an amazing city. Beautiful. On the port. Okay. I found a pathway behind the cemetery and temple. I'm not too sure where it leads, but sheesh. A lot of stairs again. Oh man, I don't know this is going to be a hike, this much of a hike. Steps 108, 109, but we get this view. It's a bit higher than the one below. Not the highest we can get. This is the view. Oh yeah, it's not as high as the other one, but it's not. Oh, you definitely can see more of the city. Yeah, that's the city. Don't take a selfie, and I'll see you at the bottom again. So I didn't say where we are in here, but this is the historical tour map. So unfortunately the footage of the one temple I actually went into during this walk and that you see me walking to right here, I must have accidentally deleted, which is a bummer. But yeah, walking in Tomonoura back streets was just so nice, and there was a lot of other shrines and temples, but yeah, I loved it. I didn't have much battery, but we just came back from a 7-Eleven back there. I think it's the only one. Oh, not the only one, but the, I don't know. Look at this. This is what we actually came for. I think there's a tourist information center. And there's a family mart back there. Alright, we're back. I was able to free up some space. We're gonna make our way to Abuto Kannon. There's a little cat. Little cat just chilling. Hello. Alright, we better head out of here. Bit of a language barrier here, but we got through, I think, I'm pretty sure, 30 minutes and then back. Hopefully it's not $1 million. I pray. Floor is like a little bit slanted. It's a bit scary. Oh, if you're not good for heights. Here we are. Alright. I might have to see you down there. This is not retarded. Alright. We're almost there. Oh my gosh. Ah, yeah, I feel like there's stairs here. So much stairs. We were just up there. Now we're down at the bottom. Ah, yeah. But yeah, that's not a nice step if you fall. Some people doing their kayaks. Just the temple. And then here's the last part. Oh, if there was another way. And then here's the thing. So you look up there, that's where, that's Abuto Kannon. I hope I'm saying it right. Not the butchering it. And yeah. This is where you come up. Yeah, I'll see you at the next one. That was nice. Abuto Kannon is a bit scary, but definitely worth checking out. Now we're at the port waiting for our departure to Sensui Island, and at 12:30. There's the ship. We're waiting for our one at 12:30. So yeah, I'll probably see you on the boat. Alright, and we came here, we walked all the here, all the way around, and then over here. Yep, sadly, I was right. It has been cornered off, I think because it got hit by a storm recently, and the damage is I guess, not repaired yet. So quick update, we passed the bath place. I'm not too sure if I want to go, I'm not in the mood. But I found myself going up 2 pathways. We're just gonna follow it, see where it takes us, and yeah, might be something good. This is like a undead observatory. It was just a path up, and here's the result. There's Tomonoura just there. Right. Sensui it's been a bit underwhelming a little bit, but that was on the other side. Now we're gonna check out this other side of it. But yeah, the beach is pretty cool. Alright, again disappointed. We can't go down the pathway. There's one on that side, so we're gonna have to see if we can go there, but it's so unfortunate. Alright, we might be saved. This is up there, and there's another pathway up there, but we don't know for sure yet. I'll see. We might as well, we're here, make the most of it. Alright, see you up there. Alright, here it is. It is a nice view. Alright, other than that ominous pathway, this view is already much better than that one back there. Oh man. This might be the last view. We've made it to the other side of that walkway, which is sad. We're gonna go through it. I think these girls just went through though. But yeah, this is it. This is Sensui Island. Beautiful beach again. Can't swim in it though, so it's unfortunate. But yeah. Now we're gonna walk back. I had to come back. My journey is complete. We found the little ponyo. Yeah, we're done. Now we're gonna look around. I need to head back. I got a lot of time in my hands. So yeah, we made it to the Tomonoura ramen spot, and I wanted to go. I can't wait for the food. So after looking back at my footage, now I remember I must have deleted some footage to make space on my memory card. Sadly, damn it. But yeah, Tomonoura is incredible. If you're ever in Japan, definitely take a trip out here. It's worth it. Even spend a night. It's such a serene city. But yeah, had some ramen. Made a cool friend with the server his name was Shingo. He was a cool dude. Had a cool conversation. Had one last walk through the city before having my last meal at Kichi, of course, and saying goodbye to Takeshi and calling it a night in Tomonoura. But yeah, let's go.